Hello everyone. Here we have such a key copier. The left part here can be fixed, but the right part cannot be fixed here. That is, now the entire rigidity is the same. I'll put it now. Here we have the same rigidity. Well, more or less the same. The working part is larger on the right side. Because, for example, here we are making a copy. For example, we did it right, and we fix it. We tighten it a little. We tighten it and the right side is fixed. The left one is still movable, but the right one is already tight, hard. That's why the working part is more on the right. And then it's up to you. You can just fix the right side. Then we release it. You shouldn't release it too much because they can fly out. We level some flat surface. It can be used mainly for, as to say, butterflies, for different butterflies. I mean lever tumbler types. You can even use it for safes. For safe, locks, Mauer, stuff. That is, it can also be used for them. But you need to check that the print is taken correctly. Because the tool is not super precise, but if you check that everything is printed correctly, then you can take a size plus or minus. Well, like this, different size. This is a fast safe key. You can take it off closer to the middle, for example. Well, all sorts of Buratina type, as we name them in our country, and so on, different. Mainly it will be useful, I think, for butterfly type, lever tumbler type, single flag butterflies, I mean single side lever tumbler type, and for double flag butterflies. Then if you need to fix it, just pull it up here and fix the drawing. It is not a super precise tool, but it can be very useful. Let go. Some pins you can move with your fingers. Well, this is the kind of copier we have. The price will be on the website, the link is under this video. Bye.